Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to add dimensions. So for example, you can draw rectangle and I will set for dimension to 100 and 100. If you want to add dimension, you can type dimension linear. So I will click from this counterpoints to counterpoint. Move to the bottom and click to apply dimension. I will draw again lines like from this point into here. And if you want to create angular dimension, you can type dim angular. Press enter, click on the two line and create the dim angular. To edit or modify the dimension, you can type D to open the dimension style manager. And as default, we will use this dimension. You can click modify. Now you can edit here, like for lines, you can change the color. And the next for the symbol arrows, you can choose in here. For the text, you can set for the text height, like I will set into 5. And then set for the text placement, you can set to center. This is for fit. You can set for the arrows and another options. And the last for primary units. If you're done, you can click OK. And then close to change the dimensions. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to add dimensions.